Hey, what's up? We are unboxing this UH-1 Huey RC helicopter by Flywing. Instruction manual, 10-channel transmitter, LiPo battery charger, charging cable, 5000 mAh 4S LiPo battery, and finally these propellers which we have to install in the helicopter. Some parameters of the helicopter: length is 750 mm, height is 200 mm, and width is 160 mm. This helicopter adopts double brushless motor designed with efficient transmission. It also adopts transparent windshield with landmark body painting. Weight of the helicopter without battery is 836 grams. Let's install these propellers in the helicopter. I'll show you the correct way to install these. We need to screw them. The helicopter is equipped with 12T3508 brushless motor and 60 amp ESC. It has different flight modes such as GPS mode, 3D manual mode, 1 key to return, low voltage return failsafe mode, and semi-intelligent flight mode. Done, but propeller seems loose. Let's tighten the screws a little bit. Make sure to not tighten too much. Looks good. This is the right way to do it. Let's charge the battery. You can charge both 3S and 4S LiPo batteries with this charger. You can see the charging time on the screen. Transmitter needs 4 AA batteries. Now press these two buttons on the transmitter for a few seconds and it will turn on. Once the transmitter is turned on, push these 4 sticks up. Now we connect the LiPo battery to the helicopter. Done. We are all set for the flight now. This will be my next unbox video. It's super detailed 147 scaled UH-60 Black Hawk RC helicopter. RC helicopters that I just flew are pretty expensive. These are some budget-friendly RC helicopters that I own. Most of them are 4-channel RC helicopters and some are 6-channel RC helicopters. This is BO-105 4-channel RC helicopter. This is eSky 300 V2 4-channel RC helicopter. This is Llama SA-315B RC helicopter. It's 4-channel. This is WL Toys V950 6-channel 3D RC helicopter. This is beginner-friendly V911S 4-channel RC helicopter. C119 4-channel RC helicopter. F03 4-channel RC helicopter. K127 4-channel Eagle RC helicopter. Finally, K100 3D RC helicopter.